Alright, so you must be wondering what's happening here. So the washing machine is currently working off the power station. As you can see, I have some clothes in there. And this is the setup. I have my beautiful power station here telling me I have about over 20 hours remaining. It's using just 32 watts. I also have a conversion going on here. And this is some JCRS stuff. Yeah, man. Patented. And I also have inverter here. As you can see, I have the light. You can see what's happening there. Beautiful readings, 11.8 volts. Beautiful stuff happening here. Yeah, man. So as you can see, the washing machine is spinning. Yeah, man, soon start wheel out the clothes them and thing, you know. Yeah, speed! Yeah, I'm out.